Hey, what's up, guys? This is Daddy Brown, daddy of the Amore sisters, and today we have a very special video. Well, at least it's special for me because I'm the lucky guy who gets to get a kiss from the Amore sisters over and over and over again, okay? So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna do a tutorial. They're gonna show you guys all the kiss options out there that you have and how to kiss your daddy, right?
Right. Yeah.
I'm really looking forward to this. So let's have a little fun.
Oh yeah.
All right. Okay. So.
Yeah, baby.
All right. So our first kiss is going to be just a regular kiss. Okay. I'm ready. Oh, that was very nice, right? Let's give them a round of applause. That's good, ladies, that's good. All right. Wait, I'm not ready. Let's turn this way and get a good camera view. Okay, so this next kiss is gonna be a grab him by the shirt, strong, aggressive kiss, all right? So let's see what we got here. I'm ready. Woo! 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 All right, Avi, you're up. Oh! Oh, tear my shirt. Goodness gracious. Okay. Oh, whoa, okay. Sheesh. All right, let me get back settled. All right, we got that one. All right, okay.
We're eating chips.
Yeah, I'm dealing with chip breath right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, the next kiss is gonna be.
Daddy, move the chips over there.
An Eskimo kiss, okay? Eskimo kiss. If you don't know what an Eskimo kiss is, pay attention. Here we go.
Well, no, today.
I'm cold like an Eskimo. All right, ready? All nose, baby. All nose. Good job on the Eskimo kiss. Good job on the Eskimo kiss.
And can I give you guys a kiss?
All right. So our next kiss is going to be a I'm so happy to see you kiss. This is one of my favorites.
Hi, Dad. I'm so happy to see you.
Hey, baby. Oh, wow. Yeah, I miss you.
I miss you so much.
Yeah. Ooh, that was good. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. All right.
I'll be back.
Who's my next?
I
Oh. This girl here. What about the kiss? This a hug. Where's the kiss? Ah, there we go. I appreciate that. I miss you too, boo. What? Whoa. Chip breath. All right. What's the next one? Let's see here. Next we have the.
I made my best at you.
Watch this one. This is the butterfly kiss. Okay. A lot of y'all haven't heard of this, but this is the butterfly kiss. All right. So, come on, bring it on. Now this one. Okay, we got to get in close for this one. You got to watch it. Now this one, you got to get the eyelashes on the butterfly kiss, okay? So let's get in and, ooh, that was really nice. Really nice. Okay.
I'll be back, everybody.
All right, let's get the butterfly kiss.
He's my daddy.
All right.
Dad, so you know he's not my uncle. He's my dad.
Let's get the butterfly kiss. Come on, bro. Let's get the butterfly kiss. Come on. Eyelashes. Come on. Where's the eyelash? There it is. Got it? Ah, you feel like a butterfly? Feel like a butterfly? All right. So.
Dad, can you flap your wings?
All right. So our next kiss is gonna be bye-bye. It's gonna be the bye-bye. I'll see you later kiss. All right. So here we go. Who's first? We need the bye-bye. I'll see you later kiss.
Bye, Daddy.
Oh, bye, baby. It was so good seeing you today. It was so much fun. We had so much fun. So much fun. Okay? I'll see you later, all right?
Okay, bye.
Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Whoa.
You want to see Daddy's hair? Okay.
That's good. That's good. That's good.
See Daddy's hair, guys.
All right, so now let's
Look at
do the bye-bye kiss. All right. Come on. All right, it was so good seeing you, Abiel. It was so good seeing you. Come on. Can we get the bye-bye kiss?
Yeah.
Come on. Okay, this is like get comfortable kiss. This ain't bye-bye. You gotta walk off after the bye-bye kiss. You gotta walk off.
Walk off.
You gotta walk off. You sitting on my leg. You gotta walk off. You gotta walk off. You gotta walk off. You gotta walk off. I'll see you later, kid. Now get on out of here. Go be something with yourself, huh? Get him out of here. All right.
Now.
Okay, so our next kiss. What is our next kiss?
Mad kiss.
Mad kiss. Let's see what this is, because I have no idea. What? Oh, goodness. That's a scary kiss. That's a scary kiss. All right, what's next? Who's you got a mad kiss for me, Javier? Oh, this ain't mad. This a crazy kiss. Okay.
Push her out the way.
I'm still alive. It's okay. I'm still alive. All right. So our next kiss is it's the group kiss where everybody gets a kiss from everybody. Okay. Wow. Come on. Yeah. It's hard to pull off. You got to know what you're doing. You got to practice out.
Guys, we forgot the YouTube version. We want to practice what the YouTube version.
Oh, you got to get everybody. Huh? Nice.
Dad, you kidding?
I don't know that person. They might not want me to kiss them. I can't do that. Wow. Which leads us to our next kiss, blowing a kiss. Now, the thing about blowing a kiss is that you got to be able to catch a kiss when someone blows you a kiss. And that's not always easy to do. Because some people blow kisses and they're going all over the place. It's hard to keep them in a room sometimes. All right? Ivy, you're first. Blow the kiss and we'll see if I can catch it. Get closer. Get a little closer. Come on. Right about there. Yep. There you go. All right. Got it. Now rub it in. Just like that. All right, Addison. Come on. Get in the camera and you bring it on. All right. Blow a kiss. What?
Wait, guys.
Why is it going up? Got it. Let me take that kiss. See, I like to take my kisses and rub them around, and then there we go, right there. All right. So our next kiss. Okay, this one's gonna be what happens when you get hurt. Okay. All right, Addison or Avi, somebody's got a fake injury. All right, who's hurt? What's wrong? Hurt your leg?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, wait, time out. Let's hurt something else. I got a bad back. I can't bend over and kiss your leg. Okay, can you hurt your elbow or something?
Yeah.
All right, come on. What you got?
My elbow, Daddy.
Oh, baby, sit down here. Let me take a look. Oh my goodness, look at this elbow. It looks. I think I can fix it. Does that feel better?
Yeah.
All right.
Kisses make me so happy.
All right. Avi, what's hurt on you? Are you okay? Thought I heard you fall or something. Oh, goodness. You did fall.
I can't
Come on,
walk.
baby, get up. Are you okay?
I can't walk.
What's wrong?
I can't walk.
What's wrong? What you heard? Huh? Your ear? Oh, let me see. Yeah, I think I heard ear. Did you guys hear ear? I heard ear. I think you heard your ear. Oh my goodness. Let me take a look at this ear. Oh, let me kiss it. Ah. Does it feel better?
Yes, you do better.
I heard ear, guys. I don't know what y'all heard. I heard ear, okay?
You do better than here. I didn't say nothing. You do.
All right, so, the next kiss is what? Open mouth kiss?
Yes.
Okay, let's see what that looks like.
Me.
All right, come on, let's see what you got. Ooh, that feels nasty, especially since you're eating chips. Okay, what you got, Abiel? Get ready, guys.
Ew! No!
Oh, what is that? That wasn't an open mouth kiss. That was a lick. A lick on the cheek. Shish. Okay. Now we have this is an important kiss. Everybody has to know this one. This is a kiss on the hand. All right. Now, these girls are royalty. They're princesses. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys how you kiss a princess. All right. So when you walk up, you got to take a knee. So you princess, if you don't mind standing right here. Here I come walking up, this little short guy. All right. And I got to get down here. And I grab her by the hand and I lean in, guys. And princess, you're so beautiful. You look her in the eye. You make sure you look the princess all in the eye. Ah, see, that's it. That's it. All right, I need another princess. Can I get a princess up right here next? All right. Okay, so here I come with princesses right here. She's standing here looking beautiful and radiant, right? Skin glowing. She's a beautiful princess. All right. Here I come walking up. This handsome looking prince, okay? I see the princess and I look her in her eye and I take a knee and I say, princess, you're so beautiful. Oh, she burped. Did she burp? Did the princess burp while I kissed her? Oh. Hiccup. Oh. Oh. Because princesses don't burp, right?
They hiccup.
That's a they hiccup though. They definitely do. All right, that was fun. So our very last kiss is what is the last kiss? Championship. Because we play to win. All right. Okay. All right. You just hit the game-winning shot. Shoot it. Shoot it. You just hit the shot. Boom. She hit it. She, ooh. We won. Good job. Good game. Good game. Y'all did it. They did it. They did it. Woo.
Guys, you know what? That was a wet kiss. Sorry, guys. We play basketball all the time in our backyard. Yeah, and we're really good.
All right. So, win the game then, Abiel. Let's go.
That like this. That like.
Oh, she made it. She made it.
Wish like that little.
Good game, girl. Good game. Ooh, good game. So proud of you. So proud of you. Oh, you've been working so hard for this. You've been working so hard for this. Oh.
Yeah.
That's how you win a championship and top it off with the kids. Hey, we love y'all. And we'll see y'all next time. Peace. ABC, y'all.
And make sure you subscribe to our channel.